Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make some baked tomatoes with a very interesting mixture, and for that we need tomatoes, of course, 4 of them, some bacon, several pieces of bacon, maybe 4 or 5, and then all that we need to do is cut down the bacon and cut down the top of the tomatoes. We will need to empty it with the filling that it has, so just cut it down like as you see in the video and take out the tomatoes that is inside. We need only the cover of it, so you can repeat this like as you see in the video. Just if you didn't know about this trick, let's say, you can watch it and learn. Repeat this with all of the 4 tomatoes, and then when it is done, we'll start with filling it with other mixtures and other ingredients. So for now, add the bacons put the bacons into the tomatoes. Add some cutted parsley to 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, and start mixing this. This is another mixture that will be added to the tomatoes as well. So add it to the bacon inside the tomatoes. And now it's the time for the cheese. So also add some grated cheese. Put some olive oil into the pan and put those tomatoes into that pan. And you'll need to cook it for some 20 to 25 minutes. As soon as you see that the tomatoes are cooked already and the cheese is melted, and it will be ready to be tasted. We hope you have liked it. Good appetite!